You are. I love you very much.
Mention her name.
Yes, thank you very much, my love. I thought, sweetie. We beat you at your own game.
It is National Lovers Day.
Jackie Warrior. I celebrate you today, my one and only Jackie. I've been forced by your people. Relatives. Na gerikana hau uragukirikana father-in-law ekuria girigiri.
Na narathie London.
Narathie? Wow.
Your dad?
Yeah, my dad narathie London.
As you celebrate the daughter this Lovers Day, for sure.
Yes.
Today we celebrate a Lovers Day.
Jackie, we're ready to celebrate you today. We are going to take our dad to airport. Then you go call the in charge ya Mokawa.
What record?
Namatato Sia Triple S. I'll be there just to make sure everything well. Dad, you are away. Everything is fine.
Hi, Stacy Digital.
Celebrate
your love.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yes.
But we try again next year.
Thank you very much, Stacy. We take this opportunity to our mother of hens.
Yes, please.
Celebrate your love.
23rd of April this year.
Yes.
I celebrate Zadzi.
Zadzi Owen. Zadzi who?
Zadzi, my love. Papa
Godo.
My king.
Hello.
My Chuum Master. As you're sleeping.
Yes. Oh, he is asleep. Wow.
Yeah, he's rich. Yeah, he's sleeping. Yeah.
His name?
His babe. We call him, he loves babe. Yeah.
So what is in his identification names?
He loves babe. Yeah.
His M-Pesa names?
I celebrate you. Yeah.
Kindly, you have forced me.
He doesn't have M-Pesa. As you're sleeping.
Yes.
In this chilly day.
Yes.
And Mama is here. And then you work later.
Yes.
All the best.
I'll tell you not to.
I got to talk about Stacy. I celebrate you. Zadzi.
So either ni dagitari.
Daddy.
Kana borithi. Kana aruta Mokawa. Ni manager adu.
Papa. Paps. I celebrate you. Paps.
Pauga. Aigira wira hoi. Na hende yoka gare wazimani.
Thank you so much.